Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Brother printer to Wi-Fi instant method step by step. To connect your Brother printer to Wi-Fi using the instant method, start by turning on your printer. Ensure that your printer is within range of your Wi-Fi router. Locate the control panel on your Brother printer. Press the menu button on the control panel. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the network option. Select network by pressing the OK button. Navigate to the WLAN option and select it. Choose Setup Wizard and press OK. Your printer will begin searching for available networks. Once the search is complete, a list of Wi-Fi networks will appear. Use the arrow keys to highlight your Wi-Fi network and select it. If your network is secured, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the alphanumeric keypad to input your password. After entering the password, press OK to confirm. The printer will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the connection was successful. Once connected, press the exit button to return to the main menu. You can print a test page to ensure that your printer is working properly on the network. If there are any issues, repeat the steps or consult the printer's manual for troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.